Once again, I welcome you, my dear friend, to the SEMAS platform. I'm still Prosi, taking you through Primary 2 Phonics class. Today, we are going to look about these letters here. These letters here are going to be used in sounds. So this is our first set of sounds. I hope you looked at these sounds in your primary 1 and nursery classes. So today we are going to see how these letters are sounded. In the previous lesson, you looked at this letter as letter S. But the sound for this S, for this letter, is S. It is S. Have you ever seen a snake moving in the grass? It moves. So this is sound S. Can you repeat after me? Okay. Sound S. Say good. This is sound S. This sound, I'm going to put it down here, and you got another sound here. Can you say this sound? Can you say this sound here? Which sound is this? This sound, ah. This sound, ah. Can you say the sound? Yes, this is sound, ah. Sound, ah. Have another sound here. Here, look at this sound. This sound, tss. This sound, tss. Look at my hand. Can you do this action? Tss. Sound, tss. Can you sound this sound again? Again? Yes, this is sound, tss. Another one is here. Which sound is this? Which sound is this? Do you still remember the sound here? This is sound Y. Sound Y. Can you say it? Y. Yes, this is sound Y. Remember in your primary 1, you looked at all these sounds, and you're going to be reviewing them. Then we continue with other words. Look at this sound here. Sound here. This sound, p, sound, p, sound. P. Can you do what I'm doing? Sound. P. This sound here is sound P, but the letter name is P. The letter name is P, but the sound is P. I have another sound. The last one in our set is sound Ni. Sound Ni. Ni. Can you repeat after me? Yes, this is sound Ni. This is sound Ni. Beautiful. So now I'm going to match these sounds with the pictures. I'm going to match the sounds with the pictures. I have here my pictures. Let me show you my first sound. I have my first sound here. Do you still remember? Which sound is this? Yes, this is sound C. I have a picture. I have a picture for sound S. Look at this picture and tell me what you see. Tell me what you see. If you look at this picture here, what do you see? What is this picture? This picture here. What do you see? Yes, this is a snake. Have you ever seen a snake? Do you like snakes? Oh, you fear snakes. So this is a snake. Where does it live? Yes, a snake lives in grass. So our sound C is going to take the picture of a snake. It's taking a picture of a snake. Snake. This is sound S, and the picture is snake. This sound of snake, picture snake, I have the name. have a word. I have a word for the picture. Can you read for me the word? Which word is this? Snake. It is picture, snake, and the name snake. Can you sound for me that? Can you make for me the sound? The picture, snake. Yes, and the word is snake. Hope you're going to spell this word. We're going to spell this word in our next lesson. We're going to be coming. We spell each of the words. Today, we are going to see the sound, match it with the picture and the words. Let me go to picture 2. Which sound is this? Yes, my friend has said the sound is ah. The sound is ah. The sound is ah. The sound is ah. The picture, here I have a picture of apple. Picture of apple. This is an apple. Put it here. Sound the picture apple, and the word apple. Have a word apple. Look at my word. Can you see the word apple? Yes, this is the word apple. It is here. Sound is picture apple. Picture of apple is here, and the word. I have another word. Yes, remember this sound? This sound, this is sound. Sound T has a picture of can you guess which picture is this? Yeah, this is a tree. Sound T has a picture of a tree. Sound T has a picture of a tree. And the word tree is here. Tree, this is a word. I have a picture of a tree. And I have sound, sound. Let me continue with another sound. Sound is this. Sound is this. The sound is ye. Sound is e. The sound is e. The picture for my sound is here. What's this? It's not an ant. It is an insect. 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 This is the insect. The sound is E. Picture is insect. And the word is here. It's the word insect. Are we together? My dear friend, let me continue with another word. Look at this picture here. Who can tell me the first sound? The sound for this picture. Yes, this is the first picture. The sound for this picture is P. It is P. And what's the word for this picture? Can tell me the word for this picture? Yes, this picture is a pot. This picture is a pot. And here I have the word pot. I have the word pot. Have the word pot. This is the picture for a pot. This is the word for a pot. Lastly, I have the last picture. Which picture is this? Yes, this is a nail. Have you ever seen a nail? Where did you see the nail? Yes, a nail. I saw the nail in our house when they were building a house. They are using a nail. You saw a nail in the shop. The hardware shop sells nails. So this is a nail. Nail has the first sound ni. This is sound ni. Sound ni. Ni. Sound ni. And the picture is here. Nail. The word nail is here. This is the word nail. This is a nail. Sound, knee.